This podcast was made with an AI voice generator. Today, I'm taking you on board my imaginary boat. Destination, the law court. Come on, come closer to the facade. You don't notice anything in particular? Correct. There are Legos in the facade. But why? It was the French and German artist Jan Vormann, whose specialty is to integrate Lego into urban landscapes, who filled in some holes in the law court, consequence of the World War II. Through his work Dispatchwork, the Franco-German artist fills the holes in urban walls in Europe and elsewhere with Lego. And it is as part of the festival Rouen Impressed Street Art that the artist has placed his Legos on the facades of the law court. Finally, his Legos. To be honest, we should rather talk about the Legos of the inhabitants of Rouen, because it is thanks to a public collection that the artist recovered Legos to dress the walls of the law court with colors. So, if you want to know if Jan Vormann has installed Lego in your city, go to his site, www.dispatchwork.info, which you will find in the description of this podcast. And then, if you like this podcast, I invite you to click on the thumb I like located under the video to encourage me to make other podcasts, but also to share my YouTube channel with your relatives, friends, and colleagues. A big thank you.